Good afternoon, everybody. Today we will analyze US dollar against Japanese yen. So, US dollar against Japanese yen is currently showing steady upward movement, and importantly, there is no sign of aggressive selling at the moment. The structure looks controlled by dollar buyers. Pullbacks are being bought, price is holding near the upper part of the range, and momentum remains pointed to the upside. However, the key focus is the 157 level. This is the area from which sharp sell-offs previously started, driven by rumors of possible currency interventions by the Bank of Japan. At that time, the market reacted quickly and aggressively. Right now, there are no such statements or direct signals, and no visible pressure from sellers. Still, 157 remains a so-called danger zone of supply. It is an area of elevated risk where market participants price in the possibility of regulatory intervention in advance. Even without official comments, the level itself is perceived as sensitive. So, in practical terms, the initiative is currently on the side of dollar buyers against the yen. But as price approaches 157, the market enters a zone of potential regulatory turbulence, where any statement or hint could quickly shift the balance. In summary, the short-term trend remains bullish, but the 157 area demands heightened attention and discipline.